1. Estamos aprendiendo inglés con Duolingo, estamos en la etapa 6, sección 258. El tema es deseos, expresa tus arrepentimientos. Y vamos a dejar este nivel en legendario. Una nota rápida es que no soy profesor de inglés, estoy aprendiendo y todo el vocabulario y las frases que vemos aquí no representan una situación real. Voy a cometer errores, los cuales hacen parte del proceso de aprendizaje. Continuar.
I don't have any regrets.
I don't have any regrets. What?
To be honest, I wish I had married someone else.
To be honest, I wish... What?
I wish I had gone to the bathroom before leaving.
I wish I had gone to the bathroom before leaving. Continuar.
My new boss is never satisfied with my work.
My new boss is never satisfied with my work. What does she complain about? What does she complain about? Continuar.
My mom hated him, which made me want to marry him.
To marry.
Mary.
Marry? Many. Ok, marry. Ahí está. Sería, my mom hated him, which made me want to marry him. Ok. My mom hated him, which made me want to marry him. Continuar. Continuar. Vamos bien.
Next time, I'm marrying someone rich.
Next time, I'm marrying someone rich. Sí, continuar. Vamos bien.
Oh well, some people are never satisfied.
Oh well, some people are never satisfied. Oh well, some people are never satisfied.
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 I'm afraid my mother has never been satisfied with my choice of wife.
Okay.
Oh well, nobody could ever have been good enough for her little boy.
For her little boy. I'm afraid my mother has never been satisfied with my choice of wife. Oh well, nobody could ever have been good enough for her little boy. His mom thinks his wife isn't good enough. Isn't good enough.
Do you have any regrets about how you acted?
Do you have any regrets about how you acted? ¿Tienes algún arrepentimiento? O Antes de seguir, si te gusta este video, compártelo con alguien a quien pueda servirle. Recomendaciones como esa ayudan mucho a que este canal siga creciendo. También puedes dejar un like o un comentario. Gracias por tu apoyo. ¿De cómo te comportaste? ¿De cómo te comportaste? Sí, sería así. ¿Te arrepientes de cómo te comportaste? Do you have any regrets about how you acted? How you acted?
I have no regrets about what I said.
I have no regrets about how I said. What I said. I have no regrets about what I said. I have no regrets about what I said. Sí, señor, va 10 seguidas, vamos bien. Desearía haberme casado contigo hace 20 años. Ok, I wish I had married you 20 years. Hace 20 años. 20 years ago. No estoy seguro. I had married. Aquí falta IED. Así, IED. I wish I had married you 20 years ago. Sí, señor, salió bien. Vamos bien, no estaba seguro.
I wish I had been alive in the 60s and 70s.
Ajá.
I would have loved to see Elvis play. Oh well, at least I can listen to his records.
Ok. Entonces este es. I wish I had been alive in the 60s or 70s. I would have loved to see Elvis play. Oh well, at least I can listen to his records. She is a fan of Elvis. What? Fred wasn't satisfied with his steak. Steak, creo que es steak. Ah, no lo puedo. Steak. No stick, steak. Fred wasn't satisfied with his steak. So he blah blah to the waiter. He complained to the waiter. Sería así. Sería. Fred wasn't satisfied with his steak. So he complained to the waiter. What?
Oh well, at least we tried.
Oh well, at least we tried. Bueno, al menos lo intentamos. Bueno, por lo menos lo intentamos. Continuar. Ok, vamos bien. Bueno, podría ser peor. Oh well, it could be worse. Bueno, o well, podría ser peor. It could be worse. Ok, perfecto. Oh well, it could be worse. Esa fue el último ejercicio. Y bueno, esto sería todo por ahora. Muchas gracias por ver el video. Be well, stay safe.